Hi! In front of me is Nokia C12 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open your device's settings and tap on Connected Devices. Then choose Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by tapping on this gear next to chosen device and selecting Forget next to Connect. Then confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!